that you can grow in semi-shade. Thornless blackberries over there are very prolific. They're going to be fantastic soon.
With fruit on them.
Heaps and heaps of fruit.
As we've been walking around, you've been getting a bit of a harvest. Is this for lunch, for
No,
salad?
I won't give you these. These are for the chickens. I need to give them a big bunch of breeds every day to help them keep their eggs laying well.
In Karen's garden, no space is wasted. Even the garage roof is productive.
Did you notice the bees yet?
I haven't noticed.
They're already up in the garage roof.
Oh, really?
You can see through some of this honey here.